So this video is for problem solving for using our prefix sum approach. Okay, prefix sum approach, we'll just go ahead with with an example, and then we'll check the algorithm and a quick code snippet around it. Okay, we'll take the same example as we had in our previous video, that is to get the sum of given range of an array. Okay, so you need to get the sum of given range of an array. Okay, so let's say this, here we have the array, and here we have the range. Let's differentiate it here. Here we have the range, and let's go ahead and add the values. Let's say 1 and 3, and the array items. Okay, now the algorithm, how will it be is, the algorithm moves like, firstly what we'll do is, for a given array we need to create another array of same size. Okay, why? To store our prefix sum. Okay, next step will be, in the prefix array, okay, the first item will be the same as the input item, input array's first item. Okay, because there are no other elements prior to the first item, so the sum of the prefixes will be the same for the 0th index. Now what next is, we loop from I is equals to 1, because I is equals to 0 we already done, to I is equals to array length minus 1. And in this loop, what we'll do, in this loop we will create the prefix array. Okay, so each item in the prefix array, what will it have? It will have the prefix sum of previous all the elements plus the current element from the array, the input array. Okay, basically after the end of this loop, we'll have a prefix array that stores all the elements prefixes sum. Okay, and at the end what we'll do is, for given range we need to return the sum, right? So firstly we'll check if L, that is the left range, that is in our example 1, right? If it is equals to 0, that means what? From the starting of the array we need all the values till r. Okay, whatever value is r, we need that much of sum. So if L is equals to r, we just return prefix r. Why? Because prefix r will contain all the elements value from starting from 0 till r range. Okay, and if this condition is not satisfied, that means in else, what we'll do, we'll just do prefix r, that is sum of all the elements till r, that is the rightmost range that we have given, minus prefix of L minus 1, which is the left index minus 1. So in our given example we have from 1 to 3, right? Let's create the prefix array of this. Okay, so the prefix array of this is created something like 2, 6, 7, 14 and 18. Okay, now 17, and now what we'll do is we'll just check based on our example how it works. So we have these three. So prefix r minus prefix l, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So prefix r is the rightmost one, which is 14, minus r this value, because we need sum of 6, 7 and 14. Okay, but we'll have to remove the all the prior elements prefix sum, that is currently only 2. So our sum or total, the final value will be 12, which will be returned. So the quick snippet of just this code will be I'll just add the for loop. This code, this is the specific code. So basically let's say we initiated prefix already, prefix sum array. Okay, it was a new array. We'll just quickly, yeah. So let's suppose we have input given as array. We'll create prefix as new array. Okay, with the size same as array dot length, which was array is the input. This is created. Then what we'll do is prefix 0 will be equals to arr0, the first element that we need to store. That will be the same in the prefix as well as the input array. Then we'll loop for let I is equals to not 0, I is equals to 1, because 0th element we've already done. I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. Okay, in this loop what we'll do, we'll fill our prefix array. For each element we need to sum our previous element prefix sum plus our current element in the input array. Okay, and once this loop completes, when we need to get range, let's say we'll create a function get range sum. So whenever we want to get the range sum, we'll just input left and right elements. Okay, and we'll run the code that we have written here. So that will be the same code. It will just be if l equals 0, return prefix r. Okay, that means all the elements sum till r range. Else what we'll do, we'll return prefix r. Okay, what prefix r minus prefix l minus 1. So this is the function that will do this specific code set. Okay, so that is it about problem solving for prefix sum, a basic problem solved.